Hi, my name is Austin, here to introduce MAKTRAK, the next generation in modular storage. The MAKTRAK system will change the way workers transport, access, store, and organize their tools and equipment. I'm going to walk you through the unique features of the rolling tool chest, the base of the MAKTRAK system, that make it stand out from every other system in the market. Where the competitors went vertical, we turned it on its side and went horizontally. The MAKTRAK system is engineered to open any box without unstacking. The retractable handle of the rolling tool chest is side-mounted to prevent hinge interference. The dual-hinged lid can open from either side or be completely removed. The track mount lid with one-hand latch release can be attached in either direction. The front of the rolling tool chest features a cleat mount system that allows you to attach the extra-large extension box to the front. The robust industrial handle features rubberized gecko grips that latch onto a tailgate for easy loading and unloading. The glove-friendly latches provide easy access while wearing bulky gloves. Large comfort grip handles provide plenty of room to grab with larger hands. The 9-inch all-terrain job site rugged wheels feature a shallow tread which doesn't bring dirt and debris from the outside to the inside. The horizontal design allows for maximum accessibility, being able to open from either side without unstacking boxes. By extending the space horizontally, we're able to fit long, common tools. The lid has multiple mounting points for more interior organization using number 10 screws. The unique MOLLE panel divider can be used to separate the box cavity or as a portable hand tool organizer. The storage tray is designed to fit multiple batteries, charger, and more. The hidden security tracker slot fits common tracking devices for additional security. The lids can be secured through a metal reinforced padlock eyelet. MAKTRAK is more than just a stackable toolbox system. It's the next generation in modular storage that's engineered for superior transportation, access, storage, and organization.